In the world of manufacturing, two names stand out as titans of innovation: Ford and Toyota. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating contrast between their production systems, exploring their unique approaches from the perspective of industrial engineering and production management. On one hand, Henry Ford's assembly line revolutionized manufacturing, introducing the concept of mass production. His system focused on standardization, specialization, and continuous flow, enabling the production of automobiles at an unprecedented scale and affordable prices. Ford's standardized parts and processes ensured consistency and reduced variability. Workers specialized in specific tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. The assembly line moved at a constant pace, eliminating bottlenecks and delays. Ford's system optimized for high-volume, low-cost production. Also, time and motion studies were used to optimize worker movements and minimize waste. Moreover, statistical quality control was implemented to monitor and improve product quality. On the other hand, Toyota's just-in-time (JIT) manufacturing system challenged Ford's mass production approach. Toyota's just-in-time focused on eliminating waste, reducing inventory, and empowering workers. Toyota identified and eliminated non-value-adding activities, such as overproduction and waiting. Toyota's just-in-time minimized inventory levels, reducing storage costs and waste. Toyota's just-in-time frequently relies on the use of physical inventory control queues, or Kanban, to signal the need to move raw materials or produce new components from the previous process. In some cases, a limited number of reusable containers are used as Kanban, assuring that only what is needed gets produced. Toyota involved workers in continuous improvement by encouraging Kaizen philosophy, encouraging them to identify and solve problems. Furthermore, Toyota's system optimized for flexibility, quality, and customer responsiveness. Where Kanban cards were used to signal production and inventory needs. Moreover, Poka-yoke, mistake-proofing techniques were implemented to prevent defects. Let's compare the two systems and conclude this video. Ford and Toyota's production systems represent two distinct philosophies. Ford's focus on efficiency and scale paved the way for mass production, while Toyota's emphasis on waste reduction and continuous improvement revolutionized manufacturing with a focus on quality and flexibility. Ford's system demonstrated the power of mass production and standardization, where Toyota's system highlighted the importance of waste reduction and continuous improvement. However, both systems offer valuable lessons for modern manufacturing. Which system resonates more with your business and applications? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about industrial engineering and production management, subscribe for future videos.